This is Matt with Geotactical Solutions. I'll give you a quick overview of FotoMapr B100 GPS module. This module will geotag every photo from any digital camera. So quickly, once we have a GPS fix, then go ahead and display the UTC date time screen on the FotoMapr. We'll then take a photo of the FotoMapr as our very first step, and go ahead and put the FotoMapr on your digital SLR camera, and we'll then go ahead and start taking our photos. Now every photo is going to be geotagged, whether we're using a digital SLR camera or we're using an ice point and shoot, and everything in between. That's FotoMapr B100. Any camera, every photo. With FotoMapr B100, not only do we geotag every photo with any digital camera, we can also get the position of a distant object in our photo. So we connect the TruPulse 360R laser rangefinder to the FotoMapr via Bluetooth. We then use the rangefinder to squirt the distance to that object. It comes into the FotoMapr, and then I have time to take a photo of that object. Now when I bring everything in together, not only do I have the position of where I was standing when I took the photo, but because of the rangefinder and the offset data, I'm also going to have the position of that distant object that I just took a photo of. And again, this can be done with any camera, and we'll geotag every photo. FotoMapr B100 GPS module not only geotags every photo with any digital camera, but it also embeds custom metadata into every photo, making your photos smarter. So we can create custom memos such as who took the photo, what case number we're working on or project, and any other information we want to embed every time we take a photo.
Okay, now we're back on the computer here. I've already collected my photos in the field using my FotoMapr and any camera that I have that I want to use. The important part is that we took a photo of the screen of the FotoMapr showing the UTC date and time. And now I'll show you why that's important. So first of all, I'm going to come in and select our photos. Go ahead and select all of these photos here, and go ahead and select that first photo that we took of the FotoMapr screen. And then we're going to select our FotoMapr screen and zoom in here so I can see the UTC date and time. Now I need to hit this little arrow here that pushes all that time information over to the FotoMapr's UTC date and time. So it brings the camera's clock time into our FotoMapr date and time. I need to make sure that the year, month, and day match up, and they do, and that the hour, minute, and seconds match up. They don't. So I need to make a correction here. So any hours, need to make that as 1700. The minutes are correct, but our seconds are still off. So let's make those 52 seconds. And now you'll see underneath here we have our calculated offset between our camera time and the actual GPS time, and that's important. So now once we've established that, we can go ahead and navigate to our log file that was collected on the FotoMapr, and we open that up. Now that's the file that we used while we were walking around taking our photos. The FotoMapr was recording all the GPS time right along with us. And then we select where we want this to be output to. And here on my desktop I've got an output folder ready for it. So now we'll hit generate. And when we generate that file, we'll see that we have a KML file as well as our photos. Go ahead and open up our KML file, and that will launch Google Earth and fly us into our location. So here you see a few things. This is Google Earth overview of San Diego. The red line is our track log. So up here we've got the start of our track log and our first photo. And as we follow it down, we'll see that we came into downtown San Diego here with all of our photos along the way, right down to our destination. And that's the beauty of QuickMap and FotoMapr. It's any camera, every photo.